I can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe, won't let you play the side.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys this simple makeup look. I filmed this makeup look, but I didn't think you guys were going to want to see it. Like, I didn't take it that serious and filming it, but this is makeup look. I was DMing me like, sis, did you film a get ready with me though? First, I don't think I was going to upload it, but I'm glad I did. I am going to have a hair video on this hairstyle as well from start to finish. That'll probably be uploaded tomorrow. I already have it filmed and edited and everything. First time trying this kind of hairstyle, but it was super easy. I was just showing me doing my baby hairs, but like I was just refreshing them really, because this is the next day after I did the hairstyle. So first I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I tried to make everything in this video like slow down, and I didn't try to like really like speed it up. I just want you guys to see like the real time. So yeah, so I'm doing my brows with the Anastasia Did Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I did them so ugly, but then I ended up cleaning them up. I ended up cleaning them up anyway with some concealer, so it looked way better. I just felt like doing my makeup, so I did it, and it came out so good. Alright, so I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows with some LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the color Fawn. So I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. I did it really neatly because, as y'all can see, my eyebrows are like looking a hot mess before I cleaned them up. But yeah, just cleaned them up. After I cleaned them up, I pretty much just blended it out, and then I primed my face. I just primed my face with the NYX Angel Veil primer, and then I used the Kat Von D foundation. And I never use this foundation. I just happened to use it today just because I just felt like it. But I like how it look, and right now it looks kind of light, but it's really not. I guess it's just have to like settle into my skin, oxidize some, and then it matched me perfectly, as you guys can see like in the beginning. And then I took my Morphe. Okay, so I'm using my Morphe foundation brush to blend out my foundation all over my face. Yeah, I use this foundation brush for everything. Well, for all of my foundations, I mean. Now I'm going to take the foundation and clean up my top brows. That's what I like to use to clean up my top brows when I really do my brows sloppy. I don't use the concealer that I use under my eyes under my brows, because it's too light. So I just like to use my skin complexion. I like to use a product of the same skin complexion as myself. So yeah, just clean up my brows. And then I went ahead and just blended this foundation out with my brush. And it kind of looked like it's too light, but it's not. I'm telling you, it's not too light. It just looks like that for some reason. After that, I like to just put on some concealer. This is the concealer I use to clean up my brows. So I put this under my eyes, down my nose, above my lip, on my chin, and like a little bit on my forehead. And then I put on a lighter concealer, which I will see shortly. It's still the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's just in a different shade, but I just need a little bit more brightness because that fawn was just not working out for me. I just couldn't do it. I then like tried to like fan my face, but because I just like when the concealer just sits for a little while, just like dry up a little bit, and then I blend it out just so it can get like a thicker consistency, and then it'll be like more coverage. What else? Yeah, just blend it out with a brush. This brush is from Real Techniques. I really like using this brush. Like, I love using brushes under my eyes now. Like, I don't even use beauty sponges anymore. Like, lately this has been what I've been doing, just using brushes. And you probably could tell like in my recent videos too, like I really don't use sponges like that, even though I just bought a new sponge, so I might start back using them, matter of fact. And then you know how you don't use something for a long time, and then when you use it, you be looking like, okay, now I know what I'm missing. So that's probably what will happen when I start back using the sponges, and especially because it's a brand new one. So and then I tried to blend out my nose concealer, and then I realized it was just not ready. So I tried to like fan it some to like let it dry down a little bit more, and then I skipped and put some powder under my eyes. down my nose. I'm trying to show y'all where I put it at. And on my brows. Basically everywhere I put the concealer, and including my brows. Now I'm contouring, and I just contour my cheekbones. Okay, the cheekbones, my forehead, and shoot, that's it. Now this is where I officially wipe off the translucent powder, because I don't want that on my face, because I don't want to get a flashback or anything like that. So I make sure that's all wiped off, and then I take some actual powder. Oh no, first I just wipe under my contour just to clean it up some, and then I take some regular powder, like powder of my skin complexion, and I just set basically my whole face with that. Like I set under my eyes, everywhere. I'm just making sure, not really setting, but just making sure that translucent powder is like completely gone. I told you in my last video that I lost my Madeline gloss, so I had to go buy another one, which I did. And I also bought a different color. I bought Fortune Cookie. And then I got Madeline, of course. Ooh. Madeline, of course. Ooh. And I got Madeline, of course. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Fortune Cookie is like lighter, a little lighter. Ooh, actually that's really light. I definitely would put that on with like a look, this is Madeline. Hold on. See, Madeline is more my shade that I prefer, but the other one I would pretty much just, they feel so good. The other one I pretty much just line my lips with a brown lip liner and use that one, which I feel like I kind of want to do that, but I'm gonna be carrying both of these in my purse anyway. All right, so first I'm gonna add my MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. These are like so worth the money because they last for a long time, because you don't have to use much because they're so pigmented. Sometimes I don't even line my lips though, but today I wanted to. I don't know if I want to use Fortune Cookie or Madeline. I think I'm gonna do Madeline. I miss this shade, so let's see. Oh yeah. And now I'm about to put on these lashes. Hopefully they're dry and not stuck to the table. Oh, I think they're dry too much. I didn't put on mascara. Nice. Blend my lashes. Now I'm gonna put on highlighter, and I'm gonna take some of this contoured shade, the orange one, and just put it under. Well, it's not orange, but it's like the sculpting shade. I'm gonna take some highlighter. I'm gonna just take this one just because it's right here. Put it on my nose, my cheekbone, my brow bone, a little bit on my brow bone, and my inner tear duct too. I need to be going somewhere looking this good. This is a makeup look, and add some setting spray and fix my little baby hairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the hair video is coming soon. Why are you just saying like that? Why is he staring at me? Okay, all right, yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.